Hello guys, and welcome to a new video of Digit Foxword Informatics. Today I'm going to show you how to create a list of all installed programs via MS-DOS command. Sometimes exact information is often required when we ask a manufacturer or IT support for advice. This includes which applications are installed on our PC. A list of all installed programs can be quickly generated in text format on the DOS input. By open any directory in Explorer and enter cmd in the path bar, the command line opens in this folder. I'm going to demonstrate. By entering the following command, the list will be generated. So, as you can see here, this is the exact command that you need to give in order to generate a list, okay? So let's confirm with enter. So as you can see here, the list has been generated. Therefore, if the command was right, all the programs that are installed on your PC are going to be listed on this list. Let's have a quick view on the list. Here we go. So all the programs are here listed. Excellent. So the next task that I would like to show you is how to kill a program on the task list via MS-DOS command. Sometimes when there are programs which are not running properly, we normally go to the task manager and in there we kill the program that is causing problems. On this video I'm going to show you another way how you can do it by using the MS-DOS command, okay? So let's call the MS-DOS window command. And here we're going to write task list, enter, and as you can see all the programs running now are going to be listed. So these are exactly the same programs that you can see on your task manager. If for instance there is a program which is causing us some trouble and we like to kill it, the important thing is to memorize the PID, which stands for process ID. So let's take for instance this process ID number, which is the one we like to kill. So by scrolling down, we're going to write following command. If I remember well, the PID of the program was 17672. So this is the command that you need to write. Always important to remember the PID of the program which is running and is causing trouble. So by confirming enter, as you can see, the process with this PID number has been terminated. So this is another way to kill a program which is causing trouble on our PC by not using the task manager. Excellent. I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and if any of this feature is useful for your day-to-day work, I will be very happy. So if you like this video, just share, like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on this topic. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Thank you guys. By Digit Fox Word Informatics. Bye for now.